Introducing the Tendon, an elasticated assembly for advancing your knee ascender using high-performance, low-friction shock cord that installs on the back pad of the Kinisi harness. The Tendon consists of shock cord, a tubing sheath, P-clips and screws for mounting to the harness, stainless fair lead inserts for the ends of the tubing, and an accessory swivel carabiner. To install the Tendon, place the tubing in the desired location on the back pad of the harness. Here I'll be using the top edge. This will be just an estimated measurement, so give yourself a little extra. Follow along the edge and then cut to your desired length. Next, install the P-clips onto the tubing. Make sure that you install them all facing the same direction and spread them out evenly along the tubing. The Tendon installs onto the back pad of the harness by fastening the P-clips into the 5mm holes. Begin installing the P-clips on one side of the harness and work your way around to the other end. Fasten the P-clips into the 5mm holes along the back pad at the interval of your choice. Install the stainless fair lead insert into one end of the tubing. Next, install the shock cord into the fair lead and push it all the way through until it exits the other end of the tubing. Install the stainless fair lead insert over the shock cord and press it into the other end of the tubing. Tie the accessory swivel carabiner to the shock cord using the knot of your choice. Now that we've got the Tendon installed, we can use it a few different ways. We can place a stopper knot on the one side using a single leg of shock cord to attach to our knee ascender. Another option may be to install an accessory captive bar on the other side. Then you can clip it in to the captive eye on the accessory swivel, and now you have two legs of shock cord to add more pulling power to the knee ascender.